So, hello Sunbeamers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn interesting and the most important chapter of English grammar, that is sentences. Okay, so sentences, everything we will learn regarding a sentence today. Okay, I know I have not given you much videos on English grammar, but in your next class, that is in your class 5, I promise you that I will give you videos on all the chapters and all the basic concepts of English grammar, and also I will add some concepts of class 4 in that videos. Okay, so let's start. Sentences and its types. And for your kind information, this is the last video of class 4 ICSE. Okay, we will meet next in your class 5 ICSE, maybe in March or April. This is the last video. Okay, after that, you please prepare for your annual examination, which is starting from February 4th to February 9th. Okay, so all the best for that. So let's start today with sentences and its types. Okay, so what is a sentence? Sentence means a group of words that make sense, that has certain meaning. Suppose I will write, I dance, I danced, I danced well. So this is a group of three words which is making certain sense. Okay, it is a group of three words which is making certain sense, and hence it is called sentence. Okay, so let's learn. Sentences are of four types: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Okay, declarative are of further two types: assertive and negative. Okay, interrogative means question. Okay, we put a question. Okay, we put a question. Imperative means command or request, and exclamatory means exclamation mark. Okay, we use exclamation mark. Everything we will learn in detail. We will now read how to change. Assertive means positive sentence. Assertive means, suppose I will write, I will go to school. I will go to school. This is an assertive sentence. And if I will add not here, if I will add not, it is a negative sentence. I will not go to school. So how to change from this assertive to negative, we will learn in detail. But before going to that, we have to learn about first person, second person, and third person. What is first person? First person basically comprises I and we. Basically comprises I and we. Okay. In I is a singular form, I is a singular form, and we is a plural form. Yes, I means singular, we means plural. So in I we use am, in we use are. Suppose I am going to school. I am a good boy. Okay. We are planting trees. We are going for a trip. Like that. And if we combine this in this case, in some cases we use am in I, in some cases we use are. We also use do for both the cases. We use do for both the cases. Okay. Suppose I do not have a pencil. We do not have a pencil. So there are certain circumstances. Okay. So this one also we will learn in tenses in class 5, that in what circumstances we using I am, we are, okay, we do, I do, what circumstances are there. In class 4 also we are having tenses but not in details. So in class 5, we will learn this all in details. This have, you see, have. We use have for both I and we. I have a book, we have a book. And all the singular forms, singular. All the singular forms we use. Suppose I eat rice. We eat rice, not eats. We will use singular form only. I eat rice. Okay. We eat rice. See, examples are given. I have a book. We go to school. See, we use go here, not goes. We use singular form. Now, second person, if I will tell you, second person, you are having you for both singular and plural. You is there for both singular and plural. Okay. So you will use are, have, and all singular forms for you. Okay, you are. If in the case of singular also, you will use you are. You are kind, you are a good boy, you sing well. And in plural form also, we use you. You all are good. Okay, like that. Second person also, we use this are, have, you, and do. We use also do here. Okay. Third person. Third person, what you are having, third person is he, she, it, and any name. Any name. Cow, buffalo, Ravi, Sita, John, Jackson, everything. Okay. We will come in this third person singular. And in this third person singular, we use does, has, is. Okay, we use does here. We use plural form of verb here. The verb what we use is in a form of plural, not singular. Okay, the verb that we use is in the form of plural. Okay, and in plural form of third person, what is there? They is there. Okay, and plural form, any plural form, like we say here cows or girls, they are all coming in third person plural. Okay, in that case, what you are using are. We will be using are, have, not has. Has we will use in singular. Have and do. Have and do. Okay, so these all are important. Now, example you see, he has a pet. He has a pet. They have a pet. You not write they has a pet and he have a pet. No. Cows eat grass. Cows eat grass. Cow singular. Cow is singular, eats grass. Cow eats grass. Now let's move forward. Understood about first, second, third? Now we will change assertive to negative. Okay. First one you see. The milk is pure. Simply you add not here, it will be changing to negative. The milk is not pure. Bullocks are strong. Bullocks are not strong. He has a watch. You will not write here he has not a watch. He has no watch. He has no watch. I have some money. In case of has and have, in case of has and have, you will not use not. You will use no. In case of has and have, you will use no, not not. We will use no. Okay? We will use no. He can swim, he cannot swim. He should not swim, he should swim, he should not swim. Sepoy may go, sepoy may not go. So this is simple. Just remember in case of has and have, you will use no, not. You not use not. Okay? No, not. Only no. Okay? Then now, I know Ali. Now you will not write here I know not Ali. No. Here verb is missing. So what you will write? I. What do we use in I? Do. You will not use does. You will use do. I do not know Ali. Because it is in present tense. Tense is present, yes or no? Tense in present. I do not know Ali. Here I is the subject, do is the verb, and not know Ali is the predicate, and Ali is the object. Okay, I have completed subject, verb, predicate, object, everything here. Hari reads well. Hari, you see, Hari is third person singular, reads well. What you will write? Hari does. Why does? Hari is third person singular, does not read well, not reads. Hari does. If one plural is there in a sentence, you cannot use another plural. So you will write Hari read well. Hari read well. Hari does. See here, does is there. Here, Hari reads. Here it is does not read well, not reads. Okay. We eat rice. We do not eat rice. We do not eat rice. Okay. We do not eat rice. See how do came here. Ballu bowled well. Ballu bowled well. This is in past tense. This is in past tense. This is in past tense. So in past of do is did. Past of do is did. Ballu did not. You will not write bold here because in one sentence you cannot use two past tense. So bold well. Ballu bold well. He broke the window. He broke. It is in past tense. He did not break the window. He did not break the window. He did not break, did not bowl. All are in present tense. Okay. So this. So now, my dear children, we will start how to change declarative sentence to questions. Questions means what? Interrogative sentence. Okay. So questions means you are asking, you are framing some questions to get an answer. Okay. So we use question mark over here. Okay. So first sentence you can see, I am late. Am I late? Am I late? First you will bring the verb. See, this is the subject. This is the verb and this is the predicate. Okay. So first you will bring the verb. First you will bring the verb and then you will take the subject. Am I late? Question mark. Next sentence. These boys is the subject. Where is the verb? Absent is the predicate. So these boys will come after the verb. Where will be the first? Verb will come in the front. After that, the subject and then the predicate. Okay. Rama has a parrot. This is a full stop here. Rama has a parrot. Rama is the subject. Has is the verb. Parrot is the object. And also a parrot is the predicate. So here it is in present tense. Has Rama a parrot? No. Does Rama? It does. You will start the sentence with does. If in case has is there and present tense is there, you will start the sentence with does. Why does? Rama is a third person singular. Rama is third person singular. Rama has a parrot. Does Rama have a parrot? Why have? Because you cannot use two plural in one sentence. So you cannot use has here. You have to use have here. Okay. I have no money. Okay. I have no money. Present tense. A verb is not there. Do I have no money? Do you will add. Why do? First person singular is there. I. So you are going to add here do. Okay. We are going. Are we going? Simple. Can do well? Can you do well? Just bring the verb forward. Take care in these sentences only. You have to put extra verb that is do or does. Okay. And you have to check whether this is in plural or in singular. If two plurals are coming, you have to do it in singular. No, plural is not allowed. In one sentence, two plurals are not allowed. We are going, you see, we are going, are we going? You can do well, can you do well? I shall be late, shall I be late? They are not coming, are they not coming, or are not they coming? This are not, you can contract it to aren't. Okay, you can contract it to aren't. Okay, both are correct. Hari was bowled out. Was not he bowled out? He, you can write here, not Hari. Okay, he. Okay, he was bowled out. Was not he bowled out? You know Hari. Do you know Hari? Why your do you know? Because your verb is absent, main verb is absent. So do you know Hari? Do you know? See here. Do you know Hari? You know Hari. Here is the sentence. You know Hari. Do you know Hari? God made the world. You see, made is in past tense. Made is the past tense. Did God? Did you will use did. God make. Did God make the world? Make the world. Why make in two sentences? Only one past form will come. The did already came, make. Do God made the world is wrong. They have to write here did. Okay. Did God make the world? Do God made the world is wrong. Next is your imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, what are the imperative sentence? You see command or request, okay? Like eat quickly, please give me a pen, open the door, please don't make noise. They are all imperative sentences. Now in exclamatory sentence, you will use an exclamation mark. Hooray. Okay, this is interjection. This hooray, alas, wow, these are all interjections. These are all interjections. These are all interjections. These are all interjections. Okay. What a beautiful scene. Alas. Alas means he is very sad. We lost the match. So these are all exclamatory sentences. So for today, this much, my dear student. Thank you for joining the class, and thanks to all the subscribers who subscribe to our channel. Please share it to your friends so that our subscribers will be more, and more students can get the valuable content. Okay, so please give the annual examination. Okay, and please say your friends the registrations are going to be closed on February 2nd. So please spread this message of annual examination, okay, so that everyone can get benefit. So thank you, and bye bye. I will not say stay tuned today, okay, but any doubt you can ask me in my email. I will be still active. Let's meet in your next class, class 5. Thank you. God bless you. All the best for annual examination.